Hello everyone! Welcome to the vlog! So tonight we will have a special unboxing. So this one from Australia, from AU Glam by EG. So from Ate Gina and from Ate Tein. So Ate Tein sent this one to Mamita. Okay, so but this box includes the gift of Ate Tein for these two boys. For Haru's birthday, upcoming birthday in 3 weeks time on 23rd July, and Kuya's late gift from Ate Tein. Yes, okay. So let's see how it goes, our unboxing. Yes, and we will reveal what is inside the box. Okay. Yay! Finally, the package from Ate Tein has arrived. So after 3 weeks waiting, so finally, birthday gift for the two boys. Yes, Kuya. So you can have your clean water every time you will drink, Kuya ko. Huh? Later we will unbox, ha? Haru, we will unbox. What Ate Tein sent to you? Oh, happy. But Ate cannot send treats from Australia. Because forbidden. Need the export permit in import permit. Okay. Continue the unboxing. Yes, from AU Glam by EG. Oh, coach bag for Mamita. Kuya ko. Later I will open it. So these are the coach bags from AUG Glam by EG, from Ate Gina and Ate Tein. Yes. So shoulder bag, multi-purpose, can be a sling bag. And this one, shoulder bag only. Can also sling bag because long shoulder. And this one is for Mamita, handbag also and shoulder bag. And can be sling bag because it's long as well. Okay, that's it for tonight. Hey, my Kuya is waiting already for Mamita. Yes, and Haru is there, oh. And that's the blanket. I will put it in the washing machine. Hey, Kuya ko wants to go up here. Come here. Come here. Okay. I will put in the washing machine our blanket that Ate Tein sent for us, yeah, for the two boys. Blanket and their water purifier for them, so make their water always clean. Yes, Kuya. Ay, Haru. Oh, this is Kuya ko. Kuya ko naman. So if you are interested in my bag collections, you can watch my vlog number 6. fun pair of earrings is basically the finishing touch to any outfit, while the perfect unique bag is not only eye-catching but also timeless. There are so many different ways to use these bags. Can be a handbag, sling bag, shoulder bag, and clutch bag for the pink one. Thank you so much AU Glam by EG for sourcing out these bags and sending over to Vietnam. After our unboxing, my Coach bags, the blanket, and this water fountain as a gift from their Ate Tein for the two boys. So Mamita will gonna set up in a minute. So I need to clean this container as well as the filter that I'm gonna use. So if there is a residue, so that is normal as what they have written on the manual. And then this is the power cable using USB. Look at the two boys while mommy is setting up this tripod. So they are playing. So Mamita will clean first the container and the filter, and then I'll give you an update. So now Mamita is back, so with Haru. So I'm gonna set up and follow the second to the last steps, which is please press the button, yes, this one, for about 6 to 7 seconds to restore the factory default settings. So as you can see, Haru, wait lang, mommy is setting up first, wait. Yay! Yep. So the light is on, flashing. So, and then after this one, Mamita will download the app, the Tuya Smart app. And now I'm gonna open it. Then I'm just going to follow the steps. Yep. Agree. Then log in. Now the water fountain is up and running. So later I will train the two boys because they don't know yet what is this for. So it's also have a UV light, which is I can turn it on also from my mobile phone. Yay! Thank you, Ate Tein. Haru, thank you kay Ate Tein. Come here. Haru. Thank you po, Ate Tein. Thank you kay Ate Tein. You will have the water always clean whenever you want to drink, huh, Haru? And also for Kuya. So I'm going to train Haru because he don't like to drink here. So I will pretend that I'm going to put the water over this water fountain. So let's see. Now, Haru, drink na yan. Wow. Water is a necessity not only for humans but also for our pets. Yes, good boy, Haru. Wow. Nag-drink na. Yes. He's drinking. Wow. So Mamita's training 101 is success. And Kuya, next time. So success. Wow, very good, Haru. Jesus. And then next is Kuya. Next is my Kuya. Wow, good boy. This is the Smart Water Fountain User Manual Guides. Easy instruction to follow. So, but you need to download the apps, Tuya Smart apps to your mobile phone that you can control the switch on and off of this water fountain whenever your pets, your dogs, your fur babies needs the water to drink. So they have always the clean water, purified water, and filtered water. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you all for supporting Mamita's channel and for my two boys.